How to fix Grok AI not working. If you're having any sort of issues using the platform of Grok AI, in this video, let me show you a couple common fixes that you can try out in order to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that your internet connection is working. To make sure that you can try using other applications that do need internet. If that is not the case with you, then what you can do is try to clear the cache of the Grok app. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this platform, tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear cache. If you're currently using the web version of Grok, then you can also try clearing out the website cache. Now, if this step is complete and if you're still having issues with it, then what you can also try out is try to uninstall the Grok app from your device or the platform of Grok from your device and then again reinstall it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of glitches or bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. Lastly, if none of these solutions work out, what you can do is also use a different version, which means if you're currently using Grok on your mobile phone using the app version, you can try opening up and try to use Grok on the web version. So open up a web browser, search for grok.com, and you can try using Grok on this platform. I do hope this guide video did help you out in solving your issues. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.